Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and your device. Unpack the Razer Kitty and confirm the 3.5 mm USB-C cable and wireless dongle are present. Charge or connect via USB-C so firmware updates won't drop midway. Next, power on the headset and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds until the LED flashes blue. This activates Bluetooth or dongle pairing. Make sure your PC or phone Bluetooth is enabled, or insert the dongle into a USB port for immediate connection. Once connected, install Razer Synapse on PC or the mobile app so you can update firmware and customize audio profiles. You want the latest firmware for reliability. The app shows progress and prevents audio glitches. Then open your operating system sound settings and set the Razer Kitty as both playback and input device to route game and chat audio correctly. Finally, adjust mic sensitivity and side tone so your voice is clear without feedback. Use a short test call to confirm levels. You finish by verifying functionality. Play stereo content, enable virtual surround if desired, and test the mute toggle and boom mic position. Once done, perform a quick in-game voice check and adjust EQ presets for clarity or bass. If something fails, repair or reset the headset by holding Power Plus Pair for 10 seconds to clear faulty pairings. Make sure battery level is sufficient, firmware is current, and the USB port or dongle is seated. These solve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.